mode. Mean, median, and mode. First exercise, most probably the questions are based on mean only. How to find out the mean of a group data. For questions are like very simple questions in first exercise. How to find the mean when data is given in a group form. Here some examples are also important. We'll do that examples also. Before that, one by one we can move on with the help of the exercise problem. We will start because exercise problem I feel it is easy. Then later on we'll go back to the examples also. Examples also most important here. Okay, so some calculations also required. We'll do it one by one.
Yeah.
So we have to start with exercise 14.1. Whatever the exercise, first exercise, you can read the question. I will start writing the solution.
1 minute.
This is statistics.
From 13.1, right?
Read the questions.
The first question says, a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 hours in a locality. Find the number of mean number of plants per house.
Yes, one data value is given here. So we have to draw this. Close the door, shut the door. So I'm going to draw this table. Look at this. Values are given here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns. So then you have to fill this. First number of plants. I want to use this chart from plants. And then houses. So according to the data, 0 to 2 plants in one house. 2 to 4.
2 to 4 in 2 houses.
2 houses. 4 to 6 in one house again.
1 house.
6 to 8
6 to 8.
plants in 5 houses. And then 8 to 10 plants.
6 houses.
6 houses. Then 10 to 12.
10 to 12. 2 houses.
2 houses.
12 to 14.
12 to 14.
3
How many
houses.
houses? 3 houses. Okay. Then this is the actual question is given. Now we have to draw another table where this first column will be as it is, plants column. Second column also as it is, that is houses. Then we have to construct another column, that is third column, that is for mid values, because this data is given in a group form. So direct method we are using. In this question, it is asking which method we have applied. So I am applying direct method only. So now look at one more required table is this one. First of all, this for number of houses. This is for first one is for number of plants, then houses of their mid values, then summation. Okay. Look at number of plants here. Number of plants. Then houses. Number of houses. Houses will be taken as a frequency Fi. Then number of plants are what? 0 to 2, 2 to 4,
2 to 4,
4 to 6,
4 to
then
6, 6 to 8,
6 to 8,
8 to 10,
8 to 10,
12,
10 to 12, then 12 to
12
14,
to 14.
12 to 14. Then Fi values 1 corresponding to this is 1, this is 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. Line it later. It does fix. Then this column is called mid values. Mid
Xi,
values,
right?
Xi. Mid values denoted with Xi. So how to get the midpoint of this 0 to 2?
Yeah.
The formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2.
2.
Right? So then 0
Yeah.
plus 2 divided by 2 is 1.
1.
Then 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2
6
is
by 3 is
3. 4. You can see the midpoint also of this. 4 to 6 midpoint is 5. 6 to 8 midpoint is 7. 8
7,
to 10 midpoint is 9.
9, 11,
And
and
11,
then 13.
then 13. Then here, this is very important. The product of Fi and Xi, the
Yes.
multiplication of this. 1 ones are 1. Okay, na?
2
3 to
times
the
3
6.
is 6.
5 multiply 1,
1
5.
times 5 is 5.
7,
5 times 7, 35.
35.
6
6
times
nines are
9,
54.
54.
And then 11 twos
22,
are 22. 13
39.
threes are 39. Now we have to find out the sum of this. What do you call it? Summation or sum? Sigma? Which term you are using?
Sigma. Sigma.
Fi, Xi. We require the total of this sum. Can you do it the total? And this is sigma Fi value. This total already given in this question only. A survey is conducted by a group of students of part their environment. There are 20 houses. Means there definitely the sum of this will be 20 only. You have to find out the sum of this. Add these values and tell me. We are using the direct method. Mean number of plants, how many are there? Direct methods only we are using. The sum of these two, how much is all?
Oh, yeah, 1 minute. 162.
Yes, 162. So the formula becomes mean. Mean is equal to sigma fi xi whole divided by sigma fi. This is equal to sigma fi value here. We got it as 162 is asked from this.
162 divided by 20.
Divided by 20.
8.1.
8.1 number of plants. On an average, every house plants are 8.1. That's our answer. And we have applied direct method because the data is very simple data. That is why we applied direct method. Some assumed mean problem also there, but we have to discuss that one later on. This question is completed. First question is completed. We have so many questions here in this exercise. Totally 9 questions are there. First question we have completed. Let us move on to the second question. I'll send the PDF. You can copy later on. Just listen the class. And wherever the calculations are required, you have to do it. Okay?
Yeah.
Next page I'll move.
Tomorrow, can you come a bit earlier?
Tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I will be available or may not be available. Monday we can have the class.
It's okay.
But I'm not sure tomorrow I'm available or not. But every Saturday we have some work in the college.
Oh yeah, tomorrow's holiday. Oh yeah, sorry.
Yes. So second question we are discussing. The question is, consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory.
Factory.
This question this data will fill up this. First one, what is it? Daily wages. Daily wages. Next, what is the next? Number of workers.
Number of workers.
So then using 500 to
520.
520. And then that's the salary actually. Wages.
Yeah.
12 workers will get this.
12 workers.
Then from 520 to
540. 14
how many
workers.
workers? 14 workers will get these wages. Next.
540 to 560.
560. And then here the workers are 8 workers are there.
8 workers.
560 to
580.
580. Then here how
6
many?
workers.
6 workers.
6 workers.
Then finally from 580 to Amtul Rahman, close the
600.
door.
10.
Many 10. Okay. So in solution also we have to draw one more table, and there we require the mid values again. That's what 4 columns are there. We get 4 columns.
It's fine. You could just write it.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, I'll write it just. This is wages, daily wages. This is 500 to 520, then 520 to 540. I will fill up this till that you start writing the solution. Okay, no problem. Let me do 560 because you're writing later on. 560 to 580,
580,
then 580 to
600.
600. Then this is number of workers. This will be denoted with FI.
FI.
Then how many workers?
12. First is 12.
Corresponding to this is 12. This is 14.
14.
This is 8. This
6,
is
10.
and this is 10. Then mid values column is required. Mid values. How to find the mid value between 500 to 520? 510 is the mid value, no? A lower limit
510,
plus
yeah.
upper limit divided by 2.
Upper limit.
So then this is called it as xi. And of course, this column is fi into xi. So let us go for this mid values of this two. So then 500 and 520 means what? We say that 510 is the mid value here. It's 530 now.
530. 530.
530.
550.
Yes, it is 550.
570.
570.
590.
And then 590. 590. So 510 into 12. Can I write directly here? Or you will
we
multiply
can.
and tell? 6120. If you multiply 510 with the 12, okay, then 530 into 14. How much?
We can use the other method, right?
Which method do you want? Tell me.
The direct assumed method.
Assumed method. Assumed method. Why directly multiplying? You will get the answer easily.
No, but then this will have more calculations also.
Okay, next problem we can see assumed method. Assumed method is again little lengthy method only. This is also very easy. You are not applying this method.
For these questions, we are not supposed to use it because we have to save as much as time as possible during the exam.
Okay. What's the sum of this?
Yeah,
27260. I did already to save your time. Directly we substitute all this, and what are the sum of this summation
50.
fi which is given in our question itself? How much?
50.
50. Mean. The formula we have to write. Summation fi xi divided by summation fi. This is equal to 27260 divided by 50. Zeros we can cancel it. This is 27. 7,
Uh,
6, 5, 5. So answer
5. 545.2.
5, 2, 5.2 is the average wages of these workers. This is the end of the second question. Third question. Third question is different question. Let me do it. It's some value is unknown here, right? If value is not there, you have to find out that value. Okay, the daily pocket allowances 11 to 13,
11 to 13, 13 to 15,
13 to 15,
15 to 17,
15 to 17,
17 to 19,
17 to
19 to 21, 21 to 23,
23,
and 23 to 25.
23. Then this
And
number
then
of
number of
children.
children, 7,
7,
6, 9,
6, 9,
13,
13.
F,
This one is important. This is
F, F, 5, and 4.
5 and 4. So children. Okay. The same concept, because the data is very small data, direct method only we can use it. So then same thing, daily products, whatever it is, 11 to 13, 13 to 15. Can you do this question? You have idea about it? 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, and then from 23 to 25. Now frequencies, this is denoted with Fi. What is here? 7,
7, 6, 9, 13. Number of children.
number of children. So I'm not writing directly Fi, I'm writing 7, 6, 9, 13, and one unknown value. That unknown value is F here, then 5, and then 4. What is the next? Mid values.
Mid values.
Mid values. That is denoted with xi. This is the xi. What's the mid value between 11 to 13?
12.
Oh, 12. Then here
14. 14.
14. Then 16.
16. 18.
18. Then
20.
20. Then
Uh,
22.
22. 24.
Some of this one we also required to see later. And then fi xi then. Fi into xi. We have to multiply this. So 12 sevens are 84. 14 6 are again 84. Then 16 nines are 144. 18 multiplied by 13, extra 2, 34. Then 20 multiply with f, 20f.
20.
This is 20f. Then 22 5s are 110. And 24 4s are 96.
96.
Now, if you take the sum of this, accept this value, what's the sum? 7, 6,
44.
44 plus f.
44 plus 1.
44 plus f is sigma fi value. And what's the sum of this? Sigma fi into xi. Except that 20 plus f, 20f, we have to add remaining values. Okay.
4, 4, 4, 16.
So 752 we are getting. 20f. We'll check it later on. Correct?
Yeah.
Then same formula we have to use. Mean is equal to sigma fi into xi divided by sigma fi. Already in this question, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowances of children's locality. The mean pocket allowances is rupees 18. Since it is given already 18 is equal to sigma fi xi value is 752 plus 20f divided by sigma fi is 44 plus f. We have to cross multiply this one with 18. So it will be 18 times 44 plus f is equal to 752 plus 20f. And multiply this and this. 44 into 18 is 792. 792 plus 18f. 18f is equal to, this is 752 plus 20f. So what we will do it here is 752 take this side and 18f bring that side. This is 792 minus 752 is equal to 20f
40
minus 18f.
40 is equal to 2f.
Yes. 40 is
And
equal
then
to
2 will go that side. So
yes.
f is equal to 20.
Here only we can cancel. 1s are 2 20s are. F is equal to 20. So that missing value frequency is 20. So then this question is completed. Okay, let us now move on to the next question. After the break, we have to move to the question number 4. Right?
Yeah.